A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant turn of events, Nicolas Sarkozy, the former president of France, has been stripped of the prestigious Legion of Honor, marking a historic moment in French politics. This decision comes on the heels of Sarkozy's conviction for corruption, making him only the second former leader to lose this esteemed distinction, the first being Philippe Pétain, a Nazi collaborator. The decree was published on Sunday, June 15, 2025, following a series of legal troubles that have plagued Sarkozy since his defeat in the 2012 presidential election. Sarkozy, who served as France's president from 2007 to 2012, has faced mounting legal challenges, culminating in an appeals court upholding his conviction last year for attempting to illicitly secure favors from a judge. As a result of this conviction, he was sentenced to wear an electronic ankle bracelet instead of serving a one-year jail term. The rules governing the Legion of Honor state that any individual definitively sentenced to a prison term of 1 year or more is automatically excluded from the order. Despite President Emmanuel Macron's opposition to the decision to revoke Sarkozy's award, the legal framework left little room for discretion. Macron had previously expressed that it was crucial to respect former presidents, highlighting the political sensitivity surrounding Sarkozy's legacy. Nonetheless, the law prevailed, and Sarkozy's removal from the Legion of Honor was anticipated following his legal troubles. Sarkozy's legal battles are far from over. He is currently appealing his conviction to the European Court of Human Rights, which represents his last hope in overturning the ruling against him. His lawyer, Patrice Spinosi, indicated that Sarkozy has acknowledged the decision to strip him of the Legion of Honor, but emphasized that the appeal to the ECHR is still active. A ruling in Sarkozy's favor could potentially lead to a review of both his criminal conviction and his exclusion from the prestigious order. In addition to the corruption case, Sarkozy is embroiled in another legal matter concerning allegations of accepting illegal campaign financing linked to a supposed agreement with the late Libyan dictator Muammar Gaddafi. The trial for these charges is ongoing, with a verdict expected in September. Prosecutors are seeking a 7-year prison sentence for Sarkozy, who has vehemently denied any wrongdoing. Despite the controversies surrounding him, Sarkozy continues to wield influence within the French political landscape, particularly among the right-wing factions. His relationship with President Macron remains a point of interest, as they are known to meet regularly, indicating that Sarkozy's political career may not be entirely over. As the situation unfolds, the implications of Sarkozy's legal troubles extend beyond his personal fate. They raise questions about the integrity of political leadership in France and the standards to which former leaders are held. The removal of Sarkozy from the Legion of Honor serves as a stark reminder of the consequences of corruption and the importance of accountability in public office. The historical context of this decision cannot be overlooked. Sarkozy's fall from grace echoes the fate of Philippe Pétain, who was stripped of the Legion of Honor for his collaboration with Nazi forces during World War II. This comparison highlights the gravity of Sarkozy's legal issues and the potential long-term impact on his legacy. As France watches closely, the upcoming verdict in Sarkozy's trial will be pivotal. The political landscape may shift significantly depending on the outcome, and Sarkozy's future in French politics hangs in the balance. The repercussions of his actions, both legally and politically, resonate throughout the nation, reminding citizens of the importance of ethical conduct and leadership roles. As this story develops, one thing remains clear: the road ahead for Nicolas Sarkozy is fraught with challenges, and his legacy is now forever altered. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.